Let's see how to delete or add weather city. Go to your app library by pressing the crown. In app library, scroll down and find out the weather app. Open it. In weather app, tap on this menu at the top left corner. And here, if you scroll down, you will see all of your add date weather cities. Now, for example, I want to delete this weather city from my weather app. So I'm just tapping and sliding to the left side and tapping this cross, and this exact weather city has removed from my weather app. So that's how you can actually delete weather city. And to add new weather city, tap on this plus icon, London. That's how. Search for the weather city you want to add, and then just add the weather city. And here we can see the weather city add date. So that's it for now.